Hello everyone, today inshallah with the tongue and the back part of the tongue. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So let's go for a quick revision with the five major makharij. We have al-jawf, the empty space in the mouth and the throat. And you can find three mad letters. Waw, alif and ya. Maddiya. Remember you say maddiya. And then the second one we said al-halq. And al-halq, how many makhraj? Three. For every makhraj there is two letters, that means six letters. Ha, hamza, ha in the bottom, and then ayn, ha, and then ghayn, kha. And then today inshallah al-lisan, the tongue. The fourth one al-shafatan, lips, and then al-khayshum. I have a question here. Why should we study this? Why should I know that hamza is from the bottom here of my throat and qaf is from the back part of the tongue and so on? There is benefit that we learn from this. Number one, when I know where are the letter, that would be easy, especially if I struggle. If a new letter for me, like if I'm English or whatever my language is, and I need to learn that letter that is not in my language. So that will help me to know exactly where are the letter. Even if I cannot pronounce it properly at the beginning, but I will try to adjust my tongue or my lips in that position to pronounce properly. Also, that will help you to help others, if you're gonna be a teacher, inshallah, to help the students how to pronounce letter in a proper way. Another thing, you will use it inshallah, and it will be beneficial for you when you study the lessons in Tajweed. Why we mix these two letters? And these letters can never ever be mixed, right? And when you study mutaqariban, these letters are too close or they are from the same makhraj but got different characteristics. That what we need, we will need these lessons in al-mutajanisan wal-mutabaidan wal-mutaqariban, and these lessons inshallah. So today with the tongue, and the tongue has 10 makharij for 18 letter. So to make it easier to study, let's say that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of your tongue. The back tongue, back part of the tongue, as you see here, and then the middle tongue in the middle, you find three letters, and then the edges of the tongue, the right and the left. One letter, dad, and then the tip of letter, you can find a lot of letters as you see. Today, let's go for the first one, which is the deepest area, the back part. You can find two makhraj. Makhraj for qaf and another makhraj for kaf. In our lesson today, we focus where are the letters, but also I will give you quick and important characteristics for all the letters. Let's compare between qaf and kaf, and then we will study them inshallah again letter by letter in the characteristics of letters. So qaf, as you can see, it's from the deepest part of your tongue and what lies opposite to it, to the roof of your mouth. When you look at the roof of your mouth, you find here that part is bone, hard. And then a little bit, when you go, you find this soft area. So qaf exactly from this soft blade. Repeat after me. Aqo. You can find that your tongue up, aqo, to this soft plate. Qa, qi, qu, aqo. Repeat. Qa, qi, qu, aqo. Bravo. Kaf, a little bit forward toward the lips. So, kaf from where exactly? From the deepest part of the tongue. And what lies opposite to it, of the roof of your mouth, but with the hard and the soft blade. Ek, ka, ki, ku, ek, ek. So now the different number one is qaf is both of them, qaf and kaf, from the deepest part, but qaf with what is opposite, the soft plate, and kaf with the soft plate and the hard plate. That means kaf is a little bit forward. Qaf is heavy letter, so the sound would be up, قي قو أق. Kaf is not a heavy letter, so ka, ki, ku, it is not istila, just lowering ak. Another different. Qaf got qalqala, and kaf instead has what? Hems, continuation of breath. Inshallah, we study qalqala in the characteristics of letters, but let's repeat it for me. Aqo. Okay. In kaf, I don't say aka. It's a mistake, and common mistake, by the way. It is not aka. No, it is ek. Now, stop for a second and focus on that difference. There is a difference between kaf in Urdu and kaf in Arabic. You know, the kaf in Urdu or Turkey and kaf in Arabic. I'm not professional in Urdu. I know some characteristics of letters, but when I say ak, 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 I think this is ak, ak, this is the Urdu kaf. Maybe you correct me, all right? But there is no continuation. That's why I have a lot of the students that they can speak Urdu or their mother tongue is Urdu. They have this problem. They say ak, they don't pronounce, they don't let the air continue. So in Arabic, it will be ak and then k. You do this continuation of breath, which is al-hams. Ak. Repeat it from me. Ak. If you put your palm in front of your mouth, you find this air flowing, touching your palm. Ak. Ak. Not like the Urdu one. Ak. Ak. Got the different now. Ak. I can do this in Qaf. I cannot say ak. No. That's why if you have a T-bar and with the cover, and it's a so good cover, so it'll be like ak 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 ak. Right? If allow a lot of air, it would be like ek ek. You got the different now. All right. Now let's go for more examples. If you have any question about Qaf and Kaf, let me know in the comments. قل لكم قل لكم خلقكم 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 رزقكم رزق and then ku رزقكم. Be careful. A common mistake. رزق. No, there is no continuation of breath. Remember. رزقكم الفلق. Bravo. Not الفلق. No. Not الفلق. It is الفلق. قلقلة. العقد. الكافرون. غاسق إذا وقب. غاسق إذا وقب. كسب. الكوثر. يكذب. يكذب. Now let's practice Qaf and Kaf in the state of sukun. أقررتم. أقررتم. Not أق. There is no continuation of breath. And then it is not أقررتم. No. أقررتم. أقرب. أقرب. أقسم. أقسم. Now let's go for Kaf. Listen carefully. أكثرهم. أكثرهم. There is continuation of breath. Not أكثرهم. No. أكثرهم. أكبر. أكبر. اكتسبوا. اكتسبوا. And don't be pushing like اكتسبوا, a lot of air. No, just natural. اكتسبوا. اكتسبوا. Just if someone is close or you have good mic, you will notice. اكتسبوا. You got it. That's it for today. Qaf and Kaf, inshallah, in the middle tongue in the next class, inshallah. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.